making some videos of it. This is where the Navy Pier is, and it's so windy. Actually, Chicago is a really windy city. So you can see right here, most of the people are wearing masks. This is surrounded by water where I am standing now. And so those are the buildings right there, where the city is. And it's so amazing where most of the buildings are made of glasses. But today is so cloudy. It's really dark. But the sun is about to coming out. And there we can see the big Ferris wheel. It's a nice place. The war with me today is my cousin Betty and Keith. So sa akong programang Budyong Bisaya, akong ipakita ang akong video nga ni ako sa Chicago karong adlaw, September 6. Ako lang gigamit ang oras sa holiday, sa Labor Day. Nani ako karon pagkuha aning ang video ko unsa tan-aw ng Chicago. So this is me, Pilar Gans, in my channel. Thank you for following my channel. So nakamask food ko. Wala ni siya ang new normal karon. Atong duolon si Kit ug si Betty just to say hi. Would you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, this is Betty and this is Kit. Okay, we are three today. Okay, so this is Chicago, guys. Salamat sa pagsunod ninyo sa kuwang stasyon, programang Budyong Bisaya. Pero ratbang ani is Michigan. Silingan ni sila Chicago, Michigan. Okay, bye-bye.